making delicious homemade chocolate chip cookies today with our San Lita mixer. It comes with a high capacity 9.5 quart mixing bowl. It has a lid, it comes with a spatula and our 3 mixing tools, a bread hook, a whisk, and a beater. Everything is dishwasher safe and cleans up easily. The mixer has a planetary mixing action so that all the sides and everything gets thoroughly incorporated and mixed well. So let's get started.